Welcome to Caddo Lake, a stunning natural treasure straddling the border of Texas and Louisiana. This unique ecosystem is home to diverse wildlife and mesmerizing landscapes. But beneath its serene surface, Caddo Lake faces significant conservation challenges. Doreen McGunagle, a fine art photographer, is dedicated to capturing the beauty of nature. Today, we'll explore the conservation challenges threatening Caddo Lake and how conservation photography can help. One of the most pressing issues is the invasion of giant salvinia. This aquatic fern spreads rapidly, covering the lake's surface, blocking sunlight, and depleting oxygen levels. Similarly, water hyacinth, another invasive plant, clogs waterways and degrades water quality. Pollution from agricultural runoff, urban areas, and industrial sites introduces harmful chemicals into the lake. Excess nutrients, particularly phosphorus and nitrogen, lead to algal blooms, depleting oxygen and harming aquatic life. Hydrological changes, including water management practices and prolonged droughts, alter the natural flow of water, impacting the lake's delicate ecosystems. Habitats are also being degraded. Wetland loss from development and deforestation increases sedimentation and erosion, affecting water quality and the health of native species. Climate change poses additional threats. Rising temperatures and extreme weather events further stress the lake's ecosystems, spreading invasive species and disrupting native wildlife. Overfishing depletes native fish populations, disturbing the food web. Human activities, including boating and hunting, also disturb wildlife and their habitats. So, how can conservation photography help? By capturing the beauty and plight of places like Caddo Lake, photographers like Doreen can raise awareness and inspire action. Through her lens, Doreen showcases both the wonders and the challenges of Caddo Lake. These images tell stories that words alone cannot. They have the power to educate, evoke emotions, and drive conservation efforts. Photography can mobilize communities, support policy changes, and fundraise for conservation projects. It reminds us of what we stand to lose and what we must protect. Join us in protecting Caddo Lake. Share these stories, support conservation initiatives, and let's ensure this natural wonder thrives for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into conservation photography.